Okay, okay. Camera rolling, action. Hey, what's up beautiful people, it's me Inish. Today I'm back with a different video on Notion. So basically, if you guys don't know about Notion app, just click on this site or this site, whichever site is gonna be on YouTube, I don't know. So I'll just add them link down below on the description box so you guys can check it out. And without wasting your time, let's hop into this video.
In this video, I will talk on the following points which will be also timestamped in the description box. Starting number 1. How to create a workspace. Workspace is a platform in which you can assign any name of the tasks on which you want to work on. So, in order to create a workspace, you just need to click on the plus sign icon available at the side of the workspace category and assign the name of your desired task. As for me, I will just give it a name as Series 1 of Notion app. Number 2. Add emojis and cover photo. So if you are the type as me who prefers the graphics into notes, emojis and adding cover to your tasks can satisfy you. Simply just click on the emoji icon to add emoji and you can choose whatever emoji type you want. Let's say for this series 1 of Notion app, I would like to give emoji of avocado. So I will search avocado and select it. For adding a cover, you just simply need to click onto the add cover icon right next to the add emoji button. Also, you can change the cover photo by just clicking onto the change cover and choose whatever you wish to put on into it. Number 3. Using templates for faster productivity. If you strictly want to jump to start doing and scheduling your tasks, then simply download the templates provided from Notion website and select which type of template you want and simply duplicate it into your workspace and that's done. Number 4. Drag your notes into the task. As I'm creating these notes onto my workplace that I've created as series 1 of Notion app, then in order to drag my text to the blocks that I've created, simply click at the 6 dotted graphics at the side of the text and place it into the block that you have created. Also, you can use this drag text by clicking the block in which you have assigned the text. Number 5. Add links to your notes. So finally, to add links to your notes, simply visit your informative website and if you have installed Notion into your computer, then you can see the icon of Notion onto your browser. Simply, to add link to your notes, click on the Notion icon and click on Save Page and assign the link to your desired workplace. Also, if you haven't installed onto your browser, I will have them linked down below in the description box so that you can get it for free.
Basically, these are the 5 tips that I can give you guys at this moment. If you guys have any other tips that I should know, then please list down in the comment section. I would love to check it out. If you guys enjoy this type of content, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, do comment, and do subscribe for the more upcoming videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So peace out.